Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be setting up my October monthly, and this is what September looks like. And the purpose of this is really just to help me to kind of map out how the week is going to go. Now obviously you can do this without stickers and washi tape and all of that extra stuff, but we all know I'm a little on the extra side, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So before we get started, I do want to show you guys a couple of the sticker books that I have that have like fall themed stickers. This is the Year of Memories Happy Memory Keeping sticker book, and all of these came from Michaels, and as you can see, these have fall themed stickers and Christmas and everything else. And then this is the mini seasonal sticker book, and there's also a classic. I just pulled out the mini because that's the one I'm probably going to be using, but the classic stickers look exactly the same. Again, I got all of these from Michaels. And so here are some of the stickers. Fall is my favorite, so I'm excited. Decent amount, right? And I brought out this one because I think the mini stickers kind of fit better in any planner, honestly. And then this is the new seasonal sticker book, and here are some of the stickers. I thought I ordered, wait, I may have ordered a Halloween, well, I'm not going to use that anyway. Anyway, I was going to say I may have ordered like a Halloween themed sticker book, sticker sheet from Erin Condren, but I probably wouldn't use that anyway because I don't know, because I don't really care for Halloween that much. So I'd rather this be like a fall theme as opposed to a Halloween theme. So anyway, here are some of my pre-planning notes and whatnot. So I'm just going to take off this little reminder so we can plan. And then I also have some notes in my phone. So I just opened all of those and closed them, and I thought that I was leaning towards some of the stickers in the seasonal, because this is like a newer sticker book, the newest seasonal sticker book, and I thought that they all matched pretty well, all of the stickers. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is October the 1st. So this is going to be like way cheesy, but I met one of my best friends on this day. We worked together, we worked a shift together. And every year I text her on the 1st to tell her that it's our anniversary, which I'm pretty sure she knows, but I do it anyway because it's just been something I've been doing for a long time. So we're going to use this little leaf to actually write in that info. And I'm going to use a Papermate Flare instead of an Inkjoy because this is going to show up better. And then the next thing is the 2nd. I have like a staff meeting situation with my supervisor at 11. So I'm trying not to use any sticker books outside of this. I doubt I'll find a meeting sticker in here though, so that's a problem. Well, it's not a problem, but that's the thing. Yeah, probably not. Let's see. I wonder if that'll fit there. That's gonna be so cute if it's gonna fit like inside of here. Well, it's not. Okay, that's a stretch, but that would fit in the mini happy planner perfectly, but we're not in a mini happy planner. We're not even in a happy planner. So let's just use this. It's another leaf, but whatever. And we'll just mark that down here in case we need to add in anything else. Okay. Okay, so bill due there, bill due there. We don't put bills due here. I do have something, another like staff meeting type situation on Friday. And then one on the 19th as well. So we'll just go in order actually. So let's see what's in here. See, I'm not into Halloween, so I don't really care about those stickers. Let's do Oh, hubby's calling. So, but before we do that, I love this, so I want to put this down. Oh, but look how big it is. I could cut it up. That's fine. It can just overtake. That's fine. It can just overtake the page. Okay, so I need to do... We need to do... This is so cute. Let's do this too. I love this. We got to put this down. Which means I guess we'll bring in the purple. We're going to put this down because these aren't like legit days. So we can put that down there. So I guess we'll bring in the purple. Where was the purple? I think the purple was in here. I was going to bring in the purple remembers or whatever. I think that was like a thing. Let me see. Okay. There are no purple remembers. So let's bring in these dark colored remembers. One here. And then we'll just go ahead and put this here. And then one here. And then what can we use? Leaves or pumpkins for? Let's do this leaf. This leaf is huge. Well, let's see. The leaf is huge, but we might be able to use it. Yeah, we'll use that. And then one again here. Okay. And then what's next? The 6th is my niece's birthday. So we'll use this birthday sticker, although it's pretty massive, so I don't know if we really want to use it. Look how big it is. What I did last time was just cut off the party from one of the birthday party stickers, or cut off the birthday rather. Well, yeah, we'll do that again. I was gonna say we could leave it, but I don't know if she's having a party. I mean, it's not like she doesn't live 62 million hours away anyway, but if she's having one, I'll try to attend the party. So we'll put this down at the bottom. Then the next thing is... Oh, I need to remember 2 things for here. So we'll put those in. Something over here. Okay, we'll use these actually. Let's grab some tweezers, and then we can use these for the things that we need to remember. And then something here as well. So we'll use a today. And then we'll use a green one of these. That's ruined because I put it down crooked, so you don't want to do that. That was not completely ruined. I might be able to do something with it. Okay, next thing is October 13th. I'm going to a planner meetup on the 20th. And so I think they always want the money by like 13th or the 14th. Either way, I'll put it on the 14th because I don't have anything else to put there. But I think that's when they want that money. So we'll do to do on the 14th. And then we'll use this. It's not completely... Then on the 13th, I'm going out of town to Atlanta. So let's do to go. And we'll write in that information. The next thing is, I guess we're, oh shoot, it's gonna be a busy day. So yeah, we're not gonna have that then. Okay, that's fine, because there's something else I need to remember there, which would cancel out the other event for sure. So, on the 20th, I have a mentor event, and then also a planner meetup. So, I'll have to prepare for that accordingly, because I film on the weekend, so that's going to cancel out that for sure. Oh, we have a volunteer sticker in this Supermom sticker book, which is kind of one of the reasons why I got it, because I thought that it would be cute. I mean, you know, considering I like volunteer or whatever. So we'll do that. And then we'll put a space for the planner. I feel like I have like a planning time sticker. Oh, why don't I ever use those stickers? Whatever. I took up too much space. I could use, we have stickers made for like the group that I'm in or whatever, but I wonder if they have like a little planner. That would be cute. Don't think they do. So I'm going to use I'm going to use one of these for the pay meetup fee. I think that'll be cute. What am I going to use for the planner meetup? I guess we won't use anything at all, and we'll just use one of these stickers or something. Like maybe this one or something. Hey, Poop. So then the next thing really isn't until I don't think the next thing is until 26th. And I'm really trying to find some icons out of this particular sticker book. So it's going to be like I'll do the camera, because that's essentially what it's going to be. We'll do the camera for that. And then I have an event on 27th. So I'm trying to look for something for that. Maybe I'll just do the coffee sticker. And then this is Halloween, obviously, but it's already marked. Look how cute. But I think we're going to go on like a lunch, coworker luncheon thing or whatever. So I'm going to use this little sticker. Honestly, that's pretty much it. I'm going to write in everything off camera. But before we go, we're going to finish adding deco. Because, duh. So, I want to use the Hello Fall sticker over here. And then, kind of like this. To put like down here. And then, what else can we do? Maybe we'll put like a spider web. That'll make it really like Halloweenish. Let's add some leaves here or there. And then that's pretty much it. So I'll just add in the rest of the stuff and that'll pretty much be the end of this because, well, I kind of like this. Ooh, I love the feel of autumn. I think that will be perfect up here if it fits. And it does. Look how perfect. And then, let's see, anything else? This is all cute. Fall manicure, deliver a Thanksgiving meal. It's not time for Thanksgiving. Trick or treat, decorate pumpkin. Probably not going to do that. Fall shopping, probably not going to do that. Friendsgiving. Halloween party, relax by the fire. Probably not going to do any of that. But this is cute. If I added this down here, only because I have foil over there. So if I added this, that would be cute. Like such. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, no, I want to add this wreath because this is just, look how cute this is. Yep, that's all we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and add in everything and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Nothing too major, especially now, but as the month progresses, although October is not even here yet, but as October progresses, I will just add in anything that I need to add in. But essentially, basically, wait, let me make sure I got everything. Oh, I did miss something, but I'm not going to make it anyway because I'm going to be in Atlanta, so there's that. Yeah, I got everything. So yeah, I do have everything. So anyway, yeah, as October progresses, I'll just add in things as they pop up. Sometimes, typically, I just don't even do it because if it pops up like during the week, I'll just add it to my weekly. I don't really go back and add new things for the month, if that makes sense. So whenever you guys last saw this, this is like, you know, literally what it looked like. I haven't really added anything else. So anyway, this is October in my Erin Condren Life Planner. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.